Hi friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Wit. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 3 very easy Rae Dunn inspired DIYs just in time for Easter, so stay tuned. First up is this spring egg display, and you're going to need 6 of these ceramic painting sets. And good news, I was just out at the store and these things are still out, so you can still grab them if you have a party coming up you want to make them for. You're going to use some white paint and cover them all, and then after you paint all of them, you can either cut out decals or buy some Rae Dunn decals. So here for mine, I cut out the word spring, but you could definitely do Easter. You could do really whatever, bunny, whatever you're hoping to do. And also I will link down below some recommended Etsy sellers. If you don't have a Cricut, they are pretty affordable and you can get them to say pretty much whatever you're looking for. So I will link those down below, some folks that I would recommend. But if you have your own Cricut machine, you can just use the skinny font and go ahead and cut it out to the size of your eggs, whatever you're looking to make. And so I will link that down below as well. I will just have all those resources ready for you down there. But what I did is I went through, cut out every letter, and then I put them on each egg. Very simple and easy. The main thing is you just want to make sure you get the bubbles out as you're putting on each letter. And then I just finished off the display with some Dollar Tree carrots. Up next are these larger Rae Dunn inspired eggs, and these are super simple to make as well. This is just some paint and a Sharpie. So I started out with these plastic containers from the Dollar Tree, and I went through and painted everything white with Waverly chalk paint. I did 2 coats on everything, and I originally planned to also use this bunny for a similar project, but after I painted it, I just wasn't feeling it, so I decided to not continue on with that portion of the project. For these eggs, I pulled up the saying that I wanted, so I had a reference, and then I just went and freehanded it. Hip on one, hop on the other, to kind of match that mug set that they currently have right now from Rae Dunn. And really, with how straight the lines are, it's not super hard to freehand. You could definitely make your own stencil, but I did the same thing with Happy Easter for the larger egg. This one is not the better of the two. I think hip hop of my hand lettering was much better, but this is definitely cute, and I'll be able to use it on my tablescape when we host Alex's family for Easter. I kind of like the rustic hand lettering, and I like that they're a little bit larger than the smaller egg. This is in comparison so you can see the different sizes. And then finally, I also have not ever gotten around to making some of these kind of traditionally sized Rae Dunn eggs. So you can definitely use the ones from the Dollar Tree and paint them white, but I found this Easter egg set at Walmart for $1.98 and you get a dozen, so I decided to go with that. So you're gonna measure your eggs and cut out decals. Again, there's decals these sizes available on Etsy, so I will definitely link that down below. But I went through and weeded everything, and really the nice thing with these is they're so customizable. But the trick to putting them on a groove surface is to push the center down first, and then you're gonna wanna take scissors and cut in between each opening of the letters. So for that N, you would do in between and on the outside, and you're going to do that on the top and the bottom, so you're able to push it down straight. The cut alleviates some of the bubbling underneath the transfer tape, and it allows you to get that smooth coverage without having kind of those weird bubbles or crinkles in the vinyl. So then I just continued that with a bunch of different sayings. I did some horizontally, some vertically, and I went ahead and made a whole set. I am super happy with how these turned out, and I'm excited to use them in my Easter decor. I love how easy it is to recreate Rae Dunn inspired items, especially when you have the skinny font, and everything will be linked down below for you. I've got a few other Rae Dunn inspired DIYs on my channel, so I will be sure to link those down below for you so you can check those out. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Dollar Tree DIYs, and also hit subscribe down below so you don't miss a future video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!